2 to the power 100 times 4 to the power 100 times 8 to the power 100 is equal to x to the power 6. We have to find the value of x. Let's solve it. So 2 to the power 100 times 4, we can write it as 2 to the power 2, then whole to the power 100, then times 8 as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 100 is equal to x to the power 6, or 2 to the power 100 times, when a raised to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. So this will be 2 to the power 200 times 2 to the power 300 is equal to x to the power 6. Again, when a to the power m times a to the power n, this is equal to a to the power m plus n. So using this identity, we can write here 2 to the power 100 plus 200 plus 300, because bases are same, is equal to x to the power 6, or 2 to the power 600 is equal to x to the power 6. Now 2 to the power 600, this we can write it as 2 to the power 6 times 100 is equal to x to the power 6. Now when a to the power m times n, this we can write it as a to the power m whole to the power n, and also a to the power n whole to the power m. So here we can write 2 to the power 100 whole to the power 6 is equal to x to the power 6. Now if we raise both the sides to the power of 1 upon 6, that means this side we have 2 to the power 100 whole to the power 6, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 6 is equal to x raised to the power 6, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 6, or it is 2 to the power 100 whole to the power 6 times 1 upon 6 is equal to x to the power 6 times 1 upon 6. This 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So 2 to the power 100 is equal to x. So x is equal to 2 to the power 100. So this is the value of x. We can also do the sixth root to both the side. When we have a under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we have to remove the exponent, or we remove the square root, we square it, so it is exponent multiplied to 2. When a is under cube root, that means a is raised to the power of this 3 comes to the denominator of the exponent, so a is raised to the power of 1 upon 3. So if we have to remove this 1 upon 3 as the exponent, we need to multiply the exponent with 3. So we cube both the side. So if we have a raised to the power of 1 upon 6, that means it is under 6th root of a. So to remove the 6th root, we multiply both the side with the exponent 6. That will remove the 1 upon 6 exponent. That's why we have raised both the sides to the power of 1 upon 6. You can verify this answer by substituting the value of x here. X is 2 to the power 100. So it will be 2 to the power 100 whole to the power 6, and this side, if you add all the exponents, this is 2 to the power 600, and this is also equal to 2 to the power 600. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 2 to the power 100. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.